Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need a signed-in Google account. Once signed in, open Google Drive or go directly to Sheets. Start by clicking New, then Google Sheets, or pick a template. This saves time when you need headers or formulas. Make sure you choose the right account if you use multiple profiles. If you plan to collaborate, set sharing settings now so permissions are correct. These first actions establish the file location and access, which prevents lost work and keeps your sheet organized from the start. Once the sheet is open, rename it at the top so autosave uses that title and you can find it later. Next, configure file settings like locale and time zone under File Settings. This ensures dates and formulas behave predictably. Create headers in row 1 and freeze that row so it stays visible when you scroll. Also adjust column widths and apply basic number or date formats to prevent rework. These steps make the sheet functional and reduce errors as you add data. To finish, click Share and grant appropriate permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaborators can access the sheet with the right privileges. Make sure you set link sharing carefully. Once done, monitor edits via version history to restore earlier versions if something breaks. If you anticipate no internet, enable offline mode in Drive or download an Excel copy to your device. If you can't open the sheet, clear cache, try an incognito window, or switch to a different Google account to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.